Streaming on your Fire TV stick with ExpressVPN is a breeze. Here's how. Directly installing ExpressVPN onto the Fire Stick. ExpressVPN is available in the Amazon App Store. Simply search for ExpressVPN, install the app, and sign in. Once you're set up, connect to your preferred VPN location, and you're ready to go. Connecting to a VPN-enabled router. With ExpressVPN installed on your router, every device in your home, including your Fire Stick, can enjoy all the benefits of a VPN. This also covers devices that can't install a VPN directly. Need extra help? You can contact ExpressVPN support. It's available 24/7 over live chat and email. And there you have it. You can now securely stream on your Fire Stick with ExpressVPN. Happy streaming!